At the time of shipment, batteries cannot be carried due to transportation, so we take the batteries off before shipping. When using, you need to buy 23 伏 button batteries locally to install in the remote control to be able to use normally. After the battery is installed, the remote control can be used normally only after data matching is performed. First, we find the hole in the black mainframe. Insert a small pen into the hole and make sure you have a touch feedback. Keep pressing the button in the small hole, and then we press any key on the remote. The green light on the black box means we have a match. The auto key is a fine-tuning key. It has 2 stops. One click is half open. Click again to open all.